bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Morning folks. We're here outside the base. We had a night on the piss last night. We didn't drink too much though, did we? Not so bad really, was it? We just started off in a bar on Second Road. When we came yesterday, we had to go and get a Thai sim. So one of the ladies in the bar said, "Come back for a drink." So I promised her I'd go back for a drink, like, and we went last night. We had a drink with her, didn't we? Yeah. And she went and got the. I said to her, "Where's a nice place to eat?" And she said, "Just up the road here. You can bring it back here if you want." So we got a pad thai and
sweet and sour shrimp.
Sweet and sour shrimp. Hey, it was nice, wasn't it? Nice, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay. Then we went up Soy Diana. We went up Soy Diana.
Soy 8?
Oh yeah, we went Soy 7, Soy 8. Soy 6 first, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
We went to a place called, you never see it on the vlogs that you see around Pattaya. There's a little cafe down Soy 6 called Jimmy Mac's. They've been there about 10 years ago when I first went in. But it's a Thai bloke and his wife, very nice. His wife is very, very friendly. And they make all English food. So we went last night, didn't we? We just got a coffee, but we're going for a walk now down the beach. She's going to render me, she said. I've got to get fit this holiday, so a lot of walking this holiday and a lot of getting fit. Gym. I brought my boxing gloves, so I'm going to try and find a punch bag somewhere and get in the gym, like. But we're going to go for a walk now down Beach Road. Last night we went down Soy 6 and we went to Soy 7, Soy 8, then across through what do you call it? Skew Beach and up into Soy Bacau. We went down LK Metro, Soy Diane, Soy Lenki, Chayapum.
What is that, honey?
Oh yeah, Soy Honey. We ended up going back down Soy Honey. We went to Retox, got something to eat in Retox and a coffee, and came back then, didn't we? Got some coffee from 7-Eleven, got some water. But today we're on a fitness day today, so we're going down the beach, walking, and we'll do a bit of vlogging as we're walking. See how we go. All right, folks. Catch you later. Look at this, beautiful. What a day. Very, very hot. Very nice.
Babe.
Oh yeah, this is the start of our walk. This, which part isn't it? I'm going to be rendered, aren't I? By the time this is finished. Oh
it's
my god!
I forgot to bring the sunscreen.
No sunscreen, no hat, no sunglasses. Oh my god! Oh my god! Anyway, let's get walking. Catch you in a bit. We'll do a bit of a vlog as we're going along.
Look at it.
Well, we're here at Soy 6. Fuck, it's hot. We've walked down to Walking Street. We've been down to Walking Street. They're doing a lot of work down there. They've got some pipe work going in on Beach Road, so it was blocked where just past the garden cafe thing. It was blocked there, so we had to turn around, so we didn't quite reach Walking Street, but anyway. We've come back up to Soy 6 now. We're going to go and get some breakfast in Jimmy Mac's on Soy 6 and walk back down then to like Central Festival, and then I'm going to go in gym, do a bit of weightlifting in gym, get in the pool. First day over, thank God. Anyway, see you in a bit. Fucking hell, it's hot now. Right, we're halfway up Soy 6 now at Jimmy Mac's. I'll show you the sign here, then you know where it is. Jimmy Mac's Cafe, Soy 6. Opposite the Playgirls, Poison, Foxy Bar. Very nice, only small, quiet, but very nice food. Wow, I tell you what, it's quiet on Soy 6 today. There again, it's early morning yet, so. But we've done alright, haven't we? Good walk.
Yeah.
Tell them you've gone for the bacon and egg toast. Pineapple.
Yeah, I like this.
She likes that. Eggs, bacon, toast, marmalade, and
But I like the English sausage.
hey, you can't say that on camera.
No, what I mean is sausage. The hot dog. First it was
Thank you.
your mind.
I've gone for the poached egg on toast, the healthy option. Anyway, we're going to eat this now. We'll catch you in a bit. I'm sweating still. Yeah, look at that now. That's beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. We've had our breakfast now. We're happy now. Back to the walking now. Walk the breakfast off. We need to go to the gym, don't we?
Yes.
The gym, and then the swimming pool, and then money changer. Need some money for the money changer.
And then
Look at this for the Buddha.
oh, you come here. 1, 2, 3.
Happy now?
Yeah. Look at your face here.
LK Metro, very quiet.
Which one? This way?
This is LK Metro. Very quiet though today.
Maybe this way.
Tonight you'll be busy. It's always quiet in the day. I'm not sure what the stabilisation is like on this camera. If it's jerky or... We'll soon find out, won't we? This camera, I'm not sure if the video's stabilised on it, or else when we're walking like this it will be jumping all over. Chillax, have a drink, cold drink.
Transfer the picture. And then look at the video. It's going.
Oh, did you get a plug? Plug? No. Do you want to nip in there and have a look?
This one that is pharmacy.
All right.
We need Samaritans.
Hey? Family Mart over the road.
Which Which one?
Over the road, Family Mart. And there is the base. There, look.
Yeah.
Oh my God, sweating now. My legs have gone as well now, aching now. Are yours? Are you aching?
Not so.
Hey,
Not so.
she's been moaning all this morning.
Only my... Ah! My stomach.
Stomach.
My insides are not good. That's why I don't want to drink orange juice now. No more orange juice, just pineapple. I don't have
Pineapple.
mango juice. I like it mango juice.
Yeah, they don't seem to have a lot of mango juice in Thailand, do they? Philippines, everywhere's got mango juice, haven't they?
Yeah, I've seen the mango juice, but only few here.
Yeah. Right, let's put this short then, eh? That's pretty amazing, that. Do you see that there? They've all managed to walk to the end of the base without a bloke with a flag. Hey, where's the man with the flag that they follow? They've all made it themselves, look. What is it? Plant?
No. The one who's moving cut.
Oh, I don't know. Pussy.
Ah, no.
Oh, God. Looks like they're building something new here. That's going to knacker the view up, isn't it?
Yeah. But better they will be on the roof so that they can see.
They've got a security guard on crane up there. Look, looks.